The quick reloading method for a shotgun starts with the first method. Load one shell through the ejection port, and then push shells into the magazine tube from the bottom, one by one. This method, although seemingly slow, is less prone to errors and is well suited for beginners. The second method involves grabbing 4 shells at once and loading them in 2 stages from the bottom tube during shooting. Another approach is to take 6 shells from the belt-held pouch at the waist and load them in 3 stages into the magazine tube. Following the discharge, replenish ammunition by selecting shells from the side-mounted carrier to continue firing. If your shotgun comes equipped with this carrier, suspend the firearm, extract a cartridge with an inverted hold, position it into the ejection opening, unlock the breech, and promptly refill from the lower magazine tube in preparation for your next shot.